with another video. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday. I'm not a morning person, so yeah, no, this voice, it don't cut it in the morning. But I'm on my way to, you know what? I'm not even gonna beat around the bush. You see the thumbnail, you see the title. I mean, you clearly know what's going on. So yeah, I'm on the way to install my springs. Me and one of my friends is gonna do it, that I work with, one of my boys. Well, I mean, I'm gonna like be there. He's most likely gonna do 95% of it. But I'm not gonna give you like a full how to install springs on your Civic Type R type video. It's just a vlog. But in the vlog, what I will do is show you what it takes to take off the front and the rear. So if it is something you wanted to do, you can do yourself. I'll show you just basic of what we're using and what needs to be done. And that's about it. Other than that, after I get to the destination, I will give you guys a walk around of just a before, and then there will be of course an after when we're done. So yeah, man, stay tuned. Appreciate all the new love on the channel. We got 200 subs. I mean, for me, that's a lot. I don't know some of you, I don't know a lot of you, so that's a goal. I mean, hey, let's push for 300. Hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your kids, tell your wife, I don't care, tell your grandpa, tell them all. Hit that like, subscribe button. I'll be back to you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, so we are here, and quick walk around. Little before and after. So, give you all angles real quick. Obviously before. A lot of wheel gap. So, 1.5 inch, we'll see. Same here. As you guys can see. You like that little right there. And yeah, I know it's dirty, don't mind that. But it's the before and after. So we'll get to it. Me and my boy are gonna do our thing. Get back to you on a few. What?
Oh shit.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of stuff to take off, to put some springs on. How do you feel about it?
Waiting for it.
Are you sure? That's it? You don't have anything else to say?
That's it, bud.
What about you? Anything else? That's it? He's a little shy, guys. Don't worry about it. He gets a little shy. He's a sexy beast, but he's a little shy over there. Just no, off camera, he's a great guy. I promise. Swear to God. I promise.
Ask me what's in my headphones right now.
What's in your headphones right now?
Joe Rogan Experience 1677 Tim Dillon, buddy.
We're gonna go back this way, guys. So the rears are done. Easy peasy. I can't say I did anything because I didn't. But 2 bolts, sway bar link, control arm, drop it, new spring goes in. And that's the rears. So let's go see what Nando's doing in there. So let's see.
Excited for the springs?
What was that? What do you want to say?
It's hot.
It's hot, that's it? That's all you get? The car's hot. Thanks, bro.
And this is how you do this. Watch this.
Thanks, bro.
Hey.
Wait, who are you?
Hey, I'm Hash Media, Hash.media99.
Mm-hmm.
You know, subscribe to my boy Corey. He's out here lowering the Type R today.
Yes, sir.
About 1 inch. You know, it's gonna look crispy. Definitely follow the boy. He's got some
Crispy
plans.
like what? Like the... Never mind, not the hairline.
Not today, not
Okay,
today, not
sorry.
today. We don't want to talk about that, but, you know, enjoy the journey.
That's it. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Let's come over here real quick. Oh, B-Rad's back.
Hey, so you're not at work. You want to go check on a customer?
Yeah, anyways, we're gonna get back to this. Yeah, as you can see, guys, a lot of shit that has to come off. A lot of shit. I mean stuff. A lot of stuff. So stay tuned. Long process.
I want to see it.
So where are we at, Max?
Dirt bag auto repair, bud.
Is that like your personal business or like?
No.
Okay. And what kind of repairs do we do here?
Everything.
Everything, huh?
Everything.
Nice. Nice. You guys heard that? Dirtbag Auto Repair. Come see us. The link won't be down in the description, I promise. You're a rook. I remember my first time. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, it looks much better already. Once it settles, it's gonna be a big difference. The mastermind behind it all, people. The mastermind. We'll get his input after he takes it around the block. Oh yeah, look at the backs already.
Yeah, it lowered it just right.
Did it? Yeah, it did.
It looked good.
Thank you, sir. It has adaptive suspension, so I didn't want to mess them up.
Yeah.
I didn't want to ruin it.
Leave it at that.
Yeah. Oi, oi, chupapi. One niño. Sounds pretty fucking good. I haven't driven it. But it looks good.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, she sounds good. For sure. I like it. Send it to me. That's the only thing I don't like. The fails.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
It's from the turbo, right? Fucking
mastermind
cool.
behind it. So what do you think?
I'm in love.
Yeah, it looks good. Still feel, well, you didn't feel it before, but feels pretty decent.
It feels good, dude. It feels really good. Good stand. But about a finger.
Yeah, I had 2 before.
Yeah.
I could fit 2 and still like have room to move.
Yeah. No, this is about a finger.
So it's perfect.
A little bit here, but should be good.
Yeah, it's enough to still drive it and not have any problems.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Question for you though. First time doing a Type R, what's your experience?
A little more complicated than I thought.
The average?
Yeah, but still, I mean, it's not too bad. Once you do one side, you know the other side. So.
At the end of the day, a car's a car.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Car's
I
a car,
appreciate
no
you, my
matter
guy.
what.
Appreciate you.
Let me do it.
Yes, sir.
Off the bucket list.
That's right. She's complete, guys. Looks good. I might get camber arms and lessen the camber in the rear.
That'll definitely.
All right, yo, it's hot. So, let me just bring it out. Let y'all look at it one time and conclude the video. It's hot. Final product here. You can see the wheel gap is very minimal. Getting the finger in there. Perfect in my eyes because I can still drive it normal how I want to. The front could be a little bit lower, but same. I used to be able to fit 2 and move around. Now I can't. So, yep, she's complete. All done. It's 130 degrees outside, so I'm gonna just conclude this video so I can go inside and yeah. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and that's it, people. It's hot, like I said. It is currently, well, this isn't right, but that says 116. So I'm gonna put this car back in the garage so I'm going about my day. Y'all have a good one. Hope you guys like, subscribe. I want to throw a fat shout out to my boy Fernando. He did all the work on the car. That's the gentleman that was talking in the video. You know, shout out to him and all the help and professionalism he does, and much love to you, my guy. Yeah, y'all have a good one. Happy Sunday. Peace.